Hi everyone, and welcome to the Unity Editor Basics series, and we're still talking about the menu bar and all its options. And in this tutorial we're going to be talking about the assets option. Now if you remember, the menu bar, which is below the title bar here, has all these options: file, edit, assets, game object, and so on. So let's go ahead and talk about the assets option. Now the assets option is concerned with all these options that you see out here, starting with create. So all these options can be found in the drop down menu when you click on assets. Now the first option is create, which allows us to create a new script, a new folder, material, and so on. Now we can also perform the same actions when we right click inside of the project window and navigate to the create option, which will allow us to create a new folder, a C# script, material, and so on. Now if we click on show in Explorer here under assets, it will show us the assets folder in the Windows File Explorer. And we can also delete individual scenes by clicking on the delete option, and similarly we can also open scenes. So if I click on delete here, it is going to delete my currently selected scene under assets here, which is the breakfast scene. And we can also do this from the project window by right clicking and then going up to delete and clicking on that. Okay, and then clicking on copy path will copy the path to the current folder that we're in. Now the most common options that you will use are the import new asset, export package, and import package options. So if we click on import a new asset, right, we can import a new asset, and I'm going to just go ahead and import this cereal box model, 3D model, and here it is in my project window out here, cereal box, and I've placed it in my scene. So we can also import a package into Unity. Similarly, we can also export a package out of our game. So we can import new assets such as audio files, 3D models, fonts, and other assets for us to use into our game with the import package option. And then we can export a whole game as a package, or maybe export a part of a game or some asset, for example, an audio file. Now, just in case if you don't know what a package is, according to the official Unity documentation, packages are a collection of files and data from Unity projects or elements of projects which are compressed and stored in one file, similar to zip files. Now re-import and re-import all will import all the packages to your project folder again. And the Open C# project will allow you to open a new C# project or file. And as I've previously mentioned, the most three common options under assets that you will be using are import new asset, import package, and export package. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial.